Hi everybody, it's me, Jordan here, and today people who have to constantly remind you about something you said or something you did, like you forgot about it. Now, many people are going to say, many people are going to come up with reasons, but you see, if you did something wrong or said something wrong, then how would you forget it? I mean, why would you forget it? Okay? It's like this, like here's an example of how it's like, you're always burping in all your videos. Yeah, I know I'm burping all my videos. How can I forget? I pretty much do it every day. Sorry for that burp. See, I just did it then. So, thanks for reminding me, but how could I forget about burping in my videos? I guess some people think that some people don't remember they screwed up, or they screwed up many times before. But in some people's eyes, you only have so many chances, and you don't even have any chances to get it right. Regardless of all of it, they're reminding the person over and over again that they screwed up. It's pretty bad. I mean, yeah, remind them one time, that's fine, but when you have to constantly remind them that they screwed up in whatever it was, that's pretty sad. I mean, yeah, I've made mistakes, some big, some small, but I remember them. So I don't see I'd forget them. Oh, you're burping in your videos again. Yeah, I know I'm burping in my videos again, Jordan says. I hear myself burp, and I'm sorry for doing it. You don't have to keep on reminding me, because I know I've been burping in my videos for some time. I always remember I'm burping in my videos, so you don't have to keep on reminding me about it. Sorry for that burp again, because I'm always a long-term memory, never in short-term. And plus, it's not just being reminded. Somebody else talks about something and then brings up conversation, you bring it up as conversation, and that's usually how it goes, like, sorry for that burp. See, I can't help it. They happen for some reason. Oh, I'm apologizing for them. So you're talking about burps, making conversation about, well, you burp in your videos, and you apologize for it. Oh, you always go around burping in your videos. You always do that. Yeah, I know I burp my videos, and I apologize for doing the burping. I need to be constantly reminded that I forgot that I burp in my videos. Okay? Because I'm pretty good at remembering things, good or bad. Things that I said that were good, things that I said were bad, and things that I did were bad, and things I said were bad. So yeah, how would I not forget that I did something like that? I mean, am I going to put it in short-term memory and say, oh, let's forget about this, let's pretend it never happened? No, I always remember it, so no one has to keep on reminding me about it. Ooh, sorry for that burp. Okay, that's it. I'm Jordan Long. Hope you enjoy this video. Sorry for the burps.